All right, this morning I'm coming down here to Granny Fish's to eat dinner. I'm going to get me some catfish. This is off the beaten path. It's between Shelbyville and Tullahoma, Tennessee, off to your right if you're coming from Shelbyville. But I'm going to turn this off, and then when we go inside, I'll turn it back on. All right, up in front of they've got it decorated up for Halloween. Isn't neat? Yeah. All right, I've got the menu here. Thank you, sweetheart. Got the menu here. So this is a very popular place. This is out in off the beaten path. I've been down here several times, but I live just not too far from here. All right, you can see I'm gonna get me some catfish. They've got frog legs and platters, combo dinners, chicken dinners. They've got hamburger steak, shrimp, and they've got salads, and there's sandwiches. They've got hamburger, cheeseburger, fish sandwich, chicken sandwich, and I'm gonna get me some onion rings too. All right, I'll bring you back when they bring my dinner. All right, they just brought me my dinner. I've got catfish, baked potato, slaw, and they brought me 3 hush puppies. I already eaten one, and then I got sweet tea. So I'm gonna taste this and let you know how it, and give you a report on how good it is. I'm gonna yep, it's a going. I'm putting doctoring my baked potato, putting butter on it. I hope everybody's doing all right today. Now I'm gonna taste each thing, let you know how it tastes. I've already eaten part of my one of my hush puppies. And they are good, absolutely good, and they're big also. Okay, got some slaw. That is good. It's got vinegar in it. All right. Let me get my salt and pepper. Okay. Take a taste of my baked potatoes. I love baked potatoes with sour cream and butter. And I got catfish here.
White beans, tomato based sauce, and a potato, right? I mean, what? White beans, and you want to get two of the smaller sizes, 25 pieces. Okay, so I'll take the white beans, the coleslaw, tomato,
Too hot.
yes, please.
Catfish is absolutely wonderful. And the tea is absolutely good too. So I'm going to eat my dinner, and when I get through, I'll stand outside and make a review and tell you how much I like everything we got. This is in the country out here. It's off the beaten path. It's been here for a long time. I've eaten down here several different times. So I'll bring you back when I get through. All right, I'm going to give you my review on my dinner. I had the catfish. I got 2 fillets. I got slaw, baked potato, and hush puppies. And then I got a blackberry cobbler I'm taking home with me. This is out of the way down here. This is off the beaten path. I have been down here several times. This is close to where I live. I'm about 10 miles away. So it's out in the country. It's between Shelbyville and Tullahoma. It's about 10 miles from Shelbyville and about 6 miles from Tullahoma. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got a video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. All right, here's the blackberry cobbler I brought home with me. It was so full I didn't feel like eating it at the restaurant. But my catfish was absolutely wonderful. And the slaw was great too. And the baked potato, and I put butter and sour cream, was top notch. And I want to tell you something. Those hush puppies were bigger than eggs. And I brought 1.5 of them home with me. So I'm going to insert this in my video too. I'm going to get it downloaded to YouTube, and maybe this evening it'll come out. Y'all have a wonderful weekend, and thank you so much for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell. All right, I'm going to tell you how much everything tasted. The catfish was cooked just right. It was cooked in meal. The slaw had a vinegar base to it. My baked potato was absolutely wonderful. I put butter and sour cream on it. And my hush puppies were bigger than eggs. They were good. I've got 1.5. I brought half of that home with me. So I'll eat that for supper. I couldn't eat it all at one sitting. So I'm going to put this in my video too. Y'all have. Let me get my glasses off. Okay, I'll talk to you. I'm going to load this to YouTube. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.